Make sure that you have labels that are unique to that part of your world, and that's what you're going to sell to your customers. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I am so glad that you're watching. If you're new here, welcome to the family. If you are already a subscriber, you've always been on the channel, thank you very much for all your support. In today's video, we are going to talk about some of the side hustle opportunities that have arisen as a result of most people staying at home and doing makeover of their spaces and their apartments, their homes. Yeah, those who have been in this channel long enough, I'm one of those people who every time I see a trend or I see something new coming up in the market, I always ask myself, how could I benefit from this, or how could I develop a side hustle opportunity from this? So I have noticed a very common trend on YouTube, especially here in Kenya. There's a lot of people who are remodeling their homes, they are reorganizing their kitchens, their bedrooms, just generally their homes. They're doing makeovers, and there's a lot of before and after videos that have been trending over the past couple of weeks, especially since people started staying home and self-quarantine and the like. So even I myself recently just redid one section of my shelf, as you can see, and I really love it. So as I was redoing my pantry, I couldn't help but ask myself, like what additional revenue streams have just been created by this sudden craze of people remodeling their spaces and reorganizing their space. And I came up with about 4 different ways you can cash in on the home organization or home remodeling trend, whether you're based in Kenya or outside of Kenya. The number 1 side hustle opportunity or business idea that has been created as a result of lots of people remodeling their homes and reorganizing their spaces is interior designer. Yeah, so you can take advantage of your interior design skills and help other people who want to remodel their spaces. And there are different ways you can go about it. So either you already have interior design skills and you're basically just going to sell your skills to other people, but however way you want to go about it, you obviously must have a portfolio of before and after makeover spaces to show to your potential clientele. And that's not very difficult to do. In the case of creating a portfolio for yourself, I would advise that you start with your own space. Make over either your entire apartment or your entire home, or just get one section of your house, like you can do your kitchen makeover and shoot a video of your before and after and post it on YouTube and showcase that as a portfolio item for your potential customers. The number 2 side hustle or business idea or opportunity that has been created by this makeover and home reorganization trend is shooting videos that are related to home decor and home reorganization, and then post those on YouTube and get money through YouTube partnership programs. And obviously, to be able to make money through YouTube's partner program, there are several eligibility requirements. So number 1, you have to have at least 4,000 watch hours over the last 365 days, and you must have a fan base of 1,000 followers. Right now, as I've mentioned, there's this trend of home makeovers before and after videos, and I don't think it's going to be very difficult to trend in that space if that is your niche. As long as you're doing beautiful makeovers and your videos are on point, not anything like what I have here, I'm certain that you will not have a hard time to get your 4,000 hours and your 1,000. And if you're looking for different ways in how you can start your YouTube business and you're not sure how to go about it, I have shot an entire video up here of 10 things that I wish somebody had told me before I started my YouTube channel. I would encourage you to watch that video before you start your YouTube channel, in case this is something that you think you can consider. The number 3 business opportunity that has been created by this trend in home makeover and space reorganization is selling of glass jars. So if you have been watching most of the home makeover videos, especially the kitchen makeover videos, you will realize that a lot of people are moving from decluttering their spaces and using glass jars to do that. And people are trying to make especially their open spaces look a little bit more easy on the eyes, and that is why they are moving to glass storage. As you have seen, like I have about, I think they are not less than 40 jars of that section alone. So just 2 streets away from Taskizimara, I found this beautiful lady. She's called Terry, and she's the one who sold those glass jars for me, and I just felt happy to promote a fellow female business person. So that's a clear business opportunity right there that has been created by a lot of people reorganizing their spaces and doing makeovers of the same. If you're not able to go out and physically set up a space to sell your jars, you could do so on Instagram. You just need to create a page and showcase what you have to offer. The number 4 business opportunity or side hustle idea that has been created by this trend in home makeover and reorganization of spaces is labels. As you've seen on my jars, for instance, they each come with a black label written in white. With the shift toward glass storage jars came the need for labeling of the jars, because once you put items in those jars, they all look the same, and you need a proper way of knowing that what is in which jar. Many people are looking for places to find these labels for their jars. Make sure that you have labels that are unique to that part of your world, and that's what you're going to sell to your customers. You can either choose to create your own labels and print them yourself and sell them to other people. Number 2, you could choose to get ready-made labels from a manufacturer, maybe on AliExpress or Amazon or wherever. And number 3, you can sell digital download of the print, customized for your market, and then have people go and print them themselves. The number 5 business idea or side hustle opportunity arising out of more and more people redesigning their spaces and reorganizing their homes is home organization. It's not easy decluttering. Like, it's one of the hardest things that I had to do. And it's at that point I was like, I wish I could find a resource to hire to just organize my space for me. So that is one business opportunity that I think somebody could actually cash in on this trend while it's ongoing. The number 6 side hustle opportunity business idea that I think somebody can cash in on in this trend is wallpapering. So if you know of a place where you can get wallpapers for cheap and resell them at a premium, I think there's a business opportunity there for you. Alternatively, if you're good in painting, or you can get a painting agency and hire people to paint spaces for others, then I think there's money to be made there. Well, those are the few opportunities that I could think at the top of my head. And guys, thank you very much for the conversations that we've had, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Bye bye.